welcome to Free Learning. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to solve the hash in A error. So the hash in A error means that you are using formula and the formula have a function, for example here VLOOKUP, and the VLOOKUP doesn't find the value to do the calculation. So let me explain here. I have here a table with some fruit names and some quantities, and here I have a smaller table and I have here some names, some fruits, and here I want to get from this table the quantity corresponding to each fruit name. So here I use the VLOOKUP function. So I look up for apple, which is in G2 in the table located in columns C and D, and I want the value of the quantity which is in index 2. So it works for apple, it works for kiwi, but it doesn't work for lemon. Why? Because we don't have lemon here. So if I put here lemon and I put here some value, you can see that the problem is solved. So if you have a hash in A, you have to make sure that the value that you want to use for your calculation is present in somewhere in your table. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.